Hey, what's up, my millionaire brother? So, what's going on? Today video is going to be special because I'm gonna show you the top 5 altcoin. They make you millionaire. They give you a very good price, and the price is this time very low. You invest and make money. Okay, so let's start this brand video. But first of all, I request you, my friends, to if you are any crypto market, any coin holder, then please subscribe our YouTube channel. Please subscribe because this channel provides you very latest updates. So you hope you subscribe it. Please click out the subscribe button. So my friends, the first of all, I gotta show you the XRP. This time the crypto market XRP gone very fastly. The XRP result as an positive every time they gone up like a rocket. XRP as one of the fastest cryptocurrency, my friend. And if you invest in XRP, absolutely they make you a millionaire. This is not a financial video, my friend. This is not a financial advertiser. Please, if you need any, if you invest in any cryptocurrency, please make us research personally because this is good for you. Okay, so XRP has gone very fastly. If you invest in XRP, then I think this time the 1.84 US dollar is the latest price you can see here, and the 14.77%, 14.7% they gone up. So this is absolutely very fastest cryptocurrency. Please invest. And the second one is Cardano. Cardano is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. Everybody know this. And Cardano, as this time the price is 1.51 US dollar. This is the second fastest cryptocurrency, guys. They go like a rocket. I already awarded my channel and community tab to which one as the fastest cryptocurrency. So you also tell me to the XRP is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. So XRP is the top, and second one as Cardano. So Cardano is absolutely good if you invest, and this then absolutely 14.49%. The both results are at the same. You can see here these two cryptocurrencies going very specially and the same situation. You can see here they're going absolutely very same speed. And the third one is one of the my favorite, Dog E coin. This time the Dog E coin price is very less, but the speed, if you can see here, very high. So therefore Dog E is one of the my favorite cryptocurrency, and I buy 10,000 coins, and I invest in 10,000 US dollar and Dog E coins. So this time I think the Dog E coin very fastly. Okay, the fourth one as one of the my favorite cryptocurrency as a channel link. Yes, the channel link price is very high. If you invest in this, then please reach out personally to what this is about. I need some more information about channel link, but I tell you shortly. If you can see, your channel link is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, and the last previous day every cryptocurrency is going very badly down, but channel link has totally gone up. So therefore I think channeling is very good cryptocurrency. If you invest in this, then absolutely good, but research personally absolutely. So the fifth one as one of my favorite, Steeler is very good for poor people. If you are people and want to invest in Steeler, then absolutely this is very small price. You can see here, buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope just 1 week you waited. I hope they make you millionaire. They give you a very good profit. So hope you friends, these are the top 5 altcoins I tell you, and this time the crypto market totally in the lost, but these cryptocurrencies gone very fastly. So I think this is good cryptocurrency for you to you invest in this. But please, for research personally, this is absolutely very important to you research personally. Watch some videos about this. If you check out my channel, please go on my channel and visit. I tell you every cryptocurrency updates is available on my channel. You just subscribe my channel. I guide you. You message me personally on Instagram. The Instagram link is available on my channel. I guide you every cryptocurrency, every good or bad situation. Please friends, subscribe my channel, my channel, because if you subscribe it, then I guiding you free. Yes, you just click on the red button, okay, and like this video. Complete 1000 like on this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.